Hi, welcome to this video. In this video I would like to show you the common method of making any polygon. So there is a general method by which we can make any type of polygon. So I will start with the side of the polygon. So once we have decided the side, the length of the one of the side, so let's say this is 40 millimeter. So now we will make polygons of 40 millimeter length. That means polygons which has sides which are all 40 millimeter. So these are regular polygons. So first of all we will draw a perpendicular at one of the end of this line. So we will draw a perpendicular here. So there is a standard method to draw perpendicular using compass. So we will draw thin lines for all the constructions. So this line is perpendicular to this line, which is going to be one of the side of the polygons. Now the other thing we have to do is to take the length of this side on this compass and draw an arc that cuts the perpendicular. So it cuts here, and then connect this line, these points. Now we have to divide this line, bisect this line. So divide into equal halves. So again we will use the compass method. So draw this dividing line, a very thin line. Now this dividing line cuts this diagonal line and this arc. So these intersection points, so first intersection point designate as 4 and this as 6. And now divide the line segment 4, 6 into half. So again we will use the compass method. So we will cut this line at this point and designate this point as 5. So the reason we have designated 4, 5, 6 is because from this point we will draw polygon which has got 4 sides, which is basically a square. Then from this point we will draw polygon which has got 5 sides, that means pentagon. And from this side we will draw a polygon which has got 6 sides, that means hexagon. Now we can erase all the construction lines if you want, because we will not use these lines anymore. Now using point 4 as the center and this length as the radius, draw a circle. Now we can see that this circle has passed through these 3 points. This is our side of each polygon that we are going to draw today. So this is one of the side. So now with 4 equal sides the polygon is a square. So this is one side of the square, this is another side of the square, and we will draw the other 2 sides. So basically all we have to do is to use this length which is the side, and from here we cut on this. So we got our first polygon which is a square. So 4 equal sides. We can name them if you like. Now we will draw a pentagon. So for pentagon, as we have designated this point as 5, so we start at this point as the center, and again this length as the radius, and we draw a circle. So this circle is going to be bigger than the previous one. Now again the length of the sides will be the same as before. So taking this as the side, we cut this circle. So now we have got side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will connect these points. So this is our regular pentagon. A, B, E, F, G, A. Next we will make a hexagon. So again the side of the hexagon will be of same length, which is 40 millimeter in this case. So we will start with this point 6 as the center and 6A as the radius, and we draw a circle. So this circle is going to be slightly bigger than the previous one. Now again we start with the side, which is AB, and we cut this circle. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So hexagon has got 6 sides. So this new polygon is hexagon. Now using this method we can also make heptagon, which has got 7 equal sides, or octagon, which has got 8 equal sides, and so on. All we have to do is to extend this line further. And on this line we have to cut these points of these lengths. So the length 5 to 6, same length we cut here for number 7, and cut here for number 8. Again the method is exactly the same. So for heptagon, which has got 7 equal sides, we start with this center and the radius, and we draw a new circle. And on this circle we will cut the sides. So this is side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is our heptagon, which has got seven equal sides. Now in theory we can continue to make all kinds of polygon here. So for example, if we are making octagon with 8 sides, so now with 8.8 as the center and 8a as the radius, we will draw a circle, and on this circle we will cut the sides of octagon. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will connect these lines, connect these points. So this is the octagon we have made with sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All the sides are equal in length. Similarly, we can find the point 9 equal distance from as the distance from 7 to 8, 9, 10, and we can make polygons with 9 sides, which is called nonagon, and polygon with 10 sides, which is called decagon. So it is possible to make any type of polygon using this general method. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, please do write them down below in the comment section.